Cambodian Independence Day. What is Cambodian Independence Day? Independence Day in Cambodia is celebrated every year on November 9th. It marks the day in 1953 when Cambodia became an independent country, free from French rule. This is one of the most important days in Cambodia history. Why was independence needed? From 1863 to 1953, Cambodia was a French protectorate. This means France controlled Cambodia's government and economy. Many Cambodians wanted their country to make its own decisions and be free to grow without outside control. How did Cambodia gain independence? King Norodom Sihanouk led peaceful negotiations with France. He spoke to leaders, gathered support from Cambodians, and worked tirelessly. His efforts were successful, and on November 9, 1953, Cambodia became an independent nation. The Independence Monument. To honor independence, the Independence Monument was built in Phnom Penh in 1958. It's a tall, lotus-shaped structure inspired by ancient Khmer architecture. The monument reminds everyone of Cambodia's freedom. The Cambodian flag. The Cambodian flag represents the country's history and values. Blue symbolizes peace, red stands for courage, and white shows honesty. The image of Angkor Wat, a famous temple, highlights Cambodia's rich culture. How do people celebrate Independence Day? On November 9th, there are parades, ceremonies, and fireworks across Cambodia. In Phnom Penh, officials hold a special ceremony at the Independence Monument, and people light incense to honor the country's past. Traditional performances and activities. Celebrations often include traditional Khmer dances like the Apsara dance. Performers wear elegant costumes and gold jewelry. Schools and communities also organize events to teach children about the history of independence. The role of education on Independence Day. On Independence Day, schools hold lessons about Cambodia's journey to freedom. Children learn about the hard work of King Norodom Sihanouk and the importance of staying united as a country. Food and family gatherings. Food is a big part of Independence Day. Families prepare traditional dishes like amok, a steamed fish curry, and desserts like sticky rice with palm sugar. Sharing meals is a way to celebrate and spend time together. The importance of unity. Independence Day is more than a celebration. It's a reminder that Cambodians achieved freedom by working together. It inspires everyone to stay united and protect the country's future. The meaning of fireworks. At the end of the day, fireworks light up the sky to celebrate freedom and independence. Each burst of color reminds people of the joy and pride that come with being an independent nation. Looking to the future. Independence Day is also a time to think about the future. By remembering the struggles of the past, Cambodians can work together to build a strong, peaceful, and successful country.